When you hear the word cancer, the last thing you want to do is have a conversation. Like every time I heard the word cancer, I ran. Didn't want to talk about it. Back in 2009, I was diagnosed with lung cancer. Like your head goes all over the place. You don't know what's going to happen to you. You look, I have no future ahead of me. You feel very lonely, very lost. I just happened to be in the oncology ward and we saw a poster for ARC. ARC to me is a wonderful place and wonderful support when you're at your lowest. You meet people that have been through cancer, you're meeting families who are going through the same thing as you're going through. All of a sudden you don't feel you're on your own anymore. What cancer does, like, it's that pebble dropped in the water, the ripple effect. You know, family, your work colleagues, your friends. I don't know what ARC has, but ARC just has that magic tool that it makes it really easy for them to get it, to come to terms with it. It was just an amazing place to go. I had to give up work, I had to retire from work at 48, I had to reinvent myself. ARC gave me the courage and the confidence. I ended up going back to college. I got a distinction in project management and event management. Without ARC, I could have never done that. And I've just grown and grown and grown ever since. I got diagnosed this time last year, stage 4 lung cancer, terminal. I wasn't scared as I was the first time around. Without ARC, I think I would have been lost. ARC still is and always would be like a safety net to me. Torch of Hope is on October 13th. Please register. It's an amazing walk. It's for an amazing charity. Bring family, friends, your pet. Roxy will be along that day. Spread the word. We need you. ARC needs you. Sign up today to help raise funds for those who are affected by cancer. You can find all the details on the ARC website on the link below. Please sign up today and come along.